Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Kaikas wallet account. So let's get started. If you ever want to recover your Kaikas wallet account, or if you are in a situation where you've forgotten your PIN code and cannot access your wallet, then in this case, you can use the seed phrase or the private key in order to recover your account. So let's get started. But before getting started, make sure that you've previously backed up your 12-word seed phrases. If you don't have your 12-word seed phrases backed up, then you will not be able to recover your account. If you've not done so already, make sure you do before you get to the situation where you'll need to recover your account. Always make sure to back up your recovery phrases for Kaikas wallet. Simply go ahead and open up your Kaikas application and tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on check the secret phrase option, and once again you might have to type in your wallet PIN code. Once you get to the secret phrases, make sure that you back up these secret phrase in a piece of a paper or in a secure folder. So, once you've backed up your recovery phrases, you can recover your wallet back again using the recovery phrase. Now, once you have your secret phrases, you can easily restore your wallet even if you've forgotten your PIN code or if you've lost your device. Simply tap on I already have a wallet and then select one of the recovery methods from the top of the screen. You can use recovery phrase, personal key, or from iCloud options. Since we previously backed up with our recovery phrases, let's tap on recovery phrase. Enter the phrases in the correct order with a space in the text box. Once you are done, tap on next. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see this interface where you can give your wallet a name and tap next. Now, once you restore your wallet, you'll again need to set up a new PIN code. Go ahead and type it in and re-enter the PIN code on the next page again. Once your wallet has been imported, tap on Get Kaikas, and if you want, you can add one more wallet by tapping on Add Wallet and following the prompts. And there you have successfully recovered your account or your wallet for Kaikas. All you need is your seed phrase or your private key, and you will be able to recover your wallet even if you've lost your device or simply forgotten your PIN code. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.